Hi everyone, my name is Sandra. Welcome back to my channel. This is another plan with me from the week of Sunday the 9th to Saturday the 15th. I had to think about that for a second. So I'm running short on time today, so what I'm going to do is speed through this next part. We'll come back, talk about this week a little bit, and then continue on in the bullet journal. And this week I'm doing a brown theme. I've never done that before because ordinarily I don't really like brown. Definitely not my favorite color, but I'm going to incorporate this little brown washi tape from KrissyAnne Designs. It has coffee on it and it's perfect. So we're going to add this into the theme. So let's get right into it. I'm actually really in a rush here because I've got a lot of things going on today. So I know this doesn't look exactly like my previous spreads have, but it has what I need, and that's all that really matters. So Sunday I will be posting this video. My sister is going to visit because it is one day that I will not be filming. And plus, we usually get groceries on the Monday, but because I've got other things planned for Monday, I'm going to be doing that on Sunday. And it's going to be pretty nice. So the rest of the current week is going to rain, and I think this will be a nice day to be outside, not too hot, no rain, which is great. And then we'll just relax because it's the weekend. Monday, I will be posting my first bullet journal flip through. So if you were interested to see that bullet journal was never filmed on YouTube. I hadn't even started my channel yet. So stay tuned for that if you were curious. I do want to film a new makeup tutorial using the Cor de Rosa. I have a Sigma haul coming soon as well. And I will be sending a birthday card to my son's grandma because it's her birthday on the Thursday. And again, it'll be a nice day. And then Tuesday, I'm going to clean the upstairs bath. I did the last downstairs bath like just this past Thursday, but I really want to start doing them on Tuesday. It is Chad's birthday, but he works this night, so we won't be able to celebrate. I'm going to film 2 new brush pen reviews, one on the new Pentel brush pen colors. So I filmed a review on the actual brush pens, like the original 12 set that came out a long time ago. And now they've been a new release. There are 12 new colors, so I'm excited to show that, as well as some art and fly brush pens that I received. And Wednesday, it's Chad's day off, so I might try to reserve a dinner. I'm not going to say where, it's going to be a surprise, but I want to do a reservation, so I might do that today or tomorrow. And I'm not sure how everything works because right now everyone has to wear a mask indoors, so I'm not really sure. I'll have to call and ask, but it's just kind of an idea. Otherwise, I'll just make Chad a really nice dinner at home. We have to clean the floors, and I want to post a deceased palette look by Jeffree Star. And I don't know if Jeffree is not very popular in the media nowadays, so a lot of people don't really care about watching any videos using his product, but I'm only about the makeup, I'm not about the drama, and I'm going to stick to that on my channel with every palette I ever buy, and that's just how it is. And also I will be filming a Get Ready With Me dinner edition if we do decide to go out. Thursday, I will be emptying the garbages. My daughter has her 3-month appointment, even though it's like 2 weeks late, but that was the receptionist doing that, so whatever. So I will be doing a Get Ready With Me that day. The appointment's early on in the morning, so that's fine. And then I will be doing my Plan With Me that day as well. And it's Nana's birthday, so we'll FaceTime her when we get back. Friday, I will be posting my Celestial Storm palette look and filming a look by Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. And then Friday is pretty much open. I don't really have much going on, so I just put a decoration sticker, which still isn't straight after many attempts. And Saturday, the same thing. I'm kind of open right now, and I like to leave it like that in case we just want to do some things for the moment. Maybe we'll go for a walk or something this weekend if the weather holds up. And Saturday I will be filming another Celestial Storm and Latte 2 palette. Side note, Celestial Storm doesn't have any neutral colors in it, so I'm going to add the Latte 2 palette, and I haven't done a look with that one anyway, so it kind of works. So moving on to the bullet journal. So my plan with me is complete, and I just wanted to keep it minimal, so that's why I didn't fill it with color, and as well just keep little pops of color on the page. I will leave everything listed down below, but I did use these 4 brush pens. These are the Zebra Funwari brush pens. There are more colors. I just decided to use these 4 because I kind of thought it went with my theme for drinks this week, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new here, I'd love if you subscribed, and remember to click the bell notification so you can be notified every time I post a video. We'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye now.